banana activity, how to peel the banana. Okay, always remember we should not peel the banana from here. This is the stem of the banana. Okay, we should never peel the banana from here. When you peel from here, what will happen? It will break down. Okay, and it will fall down. You will not be able to eat. So what we should do? Just hold like this. The black part of the banana, the tip of the banana should be upside. Okay, and use your pinch. Just hold it and peel it like a petal and stop. Peel it. Stop. The little portion, not the whole banana. Then hold with the pinch